I ain't gonna lie to you, real talk. I think you're coochie.
No.
Bruh. You know, what the fuck you mean? What's up, my squad, and I'm back with another video, man. You listen. You guys already read the title. You already know what's gonna go on, man. You feel me? So today's gonna be a prank video on my friend. She pranked me, so I have to get it back, man. So listen, she's on her way to my house right now because we're about to film a truth or dare. Make sure you guys check this video out, you feel me? So she's about to come over and stuff, so we're gonna film the video. So after we finish filming the video, we're gonna come to my room, which is right here, to edit the video. So I'm gonna, like, you know, set up a camera in my room and stuff. So while we editing the video, I'm gonna be like something like, you know, smell, like, you feel me? So, and then I'm gonna keep on, like, you know, talking about it and stuff just to get a reaction. I'm gonna be like, I think you're coochie. Stink, you feel me? To see a reaction for you guys. So hey, before this video start, man, you already know what you have to do. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to be part of the Win Squad family, you feel me? Hey, let's get right into the video. So we just finished the video, so she's about to come upstairs, so stay tuned. Shh.
A few moments later.
No, that was a good video though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yep. You gonna edit it right now?
Yes.
Hey, let's hurry up so I can go home.
What happened?
You gotta hurry up so I can go home.
No, I ain't gonna lie, that was a good video though.
Well, my boyfriend is
What happened? Your boyfriend sent you a whole paragraph?
Nah, that's not him.
Oh, wow.
I need to go.
Somebody's in trouble.
I'm not in trouble.
You sure you're not in trouble?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Something. You don't smell that?
What? Smell what? I don't smell shit.
It smells like fish. You don't smell it?
The fuck? No.
You don't smell that?
No, I smell freaking this that I'm eating and some shit.
No, it smells like fish, bro. Tell me you don't smell that.
I don't know. Like, what the hell? But when we were downstairs making the video, excuse me, it didn't smell nothing. So what are you talking about?
Something smells. Something smells for real. You don't smell that?
No, I don't. What the fuck? What are you doing, bro? Let's edit this video so I can go home.
But no, real talk though, something smells. I know you smell something like.
Where you talk about? Me not smell nothing.
Really?
No. The fuck? Bro, you pissing me off, cause
No.
But
I don't think it's your socks though.
then what? It's not me.
I think something in the room.
I didn't smell nothing when I walk in.
You didn't smell anything?
No. I smell my perfume. You tripping, nigga.
I smell good too, huh?
I smell good. Yeah, shit. You smell good.
Yeah. But look at the video though. That thing is nice. The quality is nice though. Wow, that's gonna be a good video.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a good quality right there. Hey, we did a good job.
Yeah, I like it. What? What the fuck? What are you doing? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
None.
So what y'all do that for?
No, so I'm telling you, something smells. That was a good video.
What the fuck, bro?
Oh.
You playing, right?
Huh? Playing what?
What are you talking?
Look at this video though. That thing look nice.
Me see the video. Me see it, but what the fuck?
That's a good video. The quality is perfect. No, the quality is dope. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at this.
That's it.
That looks dope.
Yeah.
Haitian, Jamaican, yeah man. Hey, we need to make some more videos together though.
I know,
but
we need to make some dope ass shit. Okay, they have spray, fucking spray or something.
Hold on. Something smell, bro.
What's that?
Huh?
What you doing with this, man?
Huh?
Man, let's read something for me now.
What happened? What?
Man, let's read something
Hey,
for
we
me.
don't speak patois, man. Hey. I like this thing, though. It looks nice.
My sister bought it from Jamaica.
Haitian Jamaica. Hey, look, mine look nicer, though.
Oh, hell.
I mean, listen, I like that color, though. Red, yellow and
see,
green.
we be jamming Jamaica.
We be jamming.
Yeah.
But no.
Are you planning? Wait, how long is it gonna take?
It's not gonna take.
When are you gonna post it, tomorrow or tonight?
Hey, listen, tomorrow, cause tomorrow I'm off, so I'm
off tomorrow too. I should have came tomorrow.
No, it's all good. Hey.
I mean, we got some videos.
Yeah, exactly. We got stuff to do. That's why, like, you have to work tomorrow. You have to edit your video and drop them.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to make you get to 1,000 subscribers, so you have to, do your thing. But something smell for real though. Something smell.
Bro, you creepy. What?
No, for real talk, there's something smell for real. You don't smell anything for real?
You don't smell? I don't smell nothing.
Yeah, alright.
Smell yourself.
I smell good. Don't play with me like that. What you trying to say?
Okay, but then freaking edit the videos. You keep on saying something smell. What smell? Me not smell nothing. You have dirty clothes in there?
Dirty clothes? Nah. All my clothes in the closet is freaking clean. What you talking about?
Stop spraying me. When stop spraying me. Stop spraying me.
Bruh. Damn, weird day.
What?
Whew. Did you take a shower before you come here?
What the fuck are you? No, we really are talking about.
No, did you take a? I'm just asking. Did you take a shower before you come here?
Of course I did. What are you talking about?
If I tell you something,
you pissing me the fuck off right now. Nah, cause
I'm just asking you a question. Listen.
Okay, but why would you ask me that question?
Listen. I'm your friend, right? So we've been friends for a long time, right? Dab me up. If I have something to tell you, I have to let you know what's up.
Okay,
well, I ain't gonna lie to you. You kind of smell.
What?
You kind of smell. I think your coochie stink.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you. Real talk. I think your coochie.
No.
Bruh. You not? What the fuck you mean?
No, I do not stink. What?
No, I think your coochie stink for real though.
That's really fucking disrespectful. You gotta let me.
Why you punching me? Like what
Bro,
the hell?
I would fucking do not play with me like that.
The truth hurts or what?
We take somebody and lick him over right now.
What?
Who the fuck you talking to?
Hey, listen, I'm just
no.
I'm just being honest. Why are you getting mad?
But that's not true though. How do you mean you're being honest? That's not true.
You know what? Let's get to the video, man. Alright, we'll talk.
You're mad disrespectful, and you know what?
How?
Delete that video. Cause I don't even want you to post me on your shit. Delete it. I don't want to delete it. Don't even edit it. Because you're disrespectful. Because that's not true.
It's not that deep.
It is to me. Because nobody ever tell me that before.
If you didn't take a shower, that's fine.
I did take a shower.
Listen, I can understand. Hey, you had a wolf.
I want to.
Hey, speak English, no patois, man.
I am speaking English. Don't tell me what the hell to do either, because you're mad disrespectful.
What are you getting mad for? I just
feel like to fucking punch, like, just lick out two of your teeth, them, honestly. Bro, I'm gonna go home. Fuck you, Wens. You know what? Bye.
But okay, bye then. Like you.
No, but you gotta delete my video.
Okay, I will.
No, I wanna see you do it.
Okay, well, no, just go on. Since you said bye, like I don't see why you still in here. Like you getting mad because I'm telling you the truth. Like what?
But that's not true. Like we just did a whole video downstairs. Why didn't you tell me that?
Listen, I didn't smell anything.
Why you smell something now? What happened now?
I didn't smell anything, to be honest. But now, I guess because your coochie is kind of close to me. That's why I think that thing is like, it smells like.
You know what? Bye.
Evacuating and stuff, so.
Whatever. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing shit. Is that my AirPods? Can hit?
No, that's my AirPods.
Bye. Whatever.
Bye. I think she's mad, bro. I think she's mad. Yo, hey, somebody go tell that girl it was a prank. Go to her channel right now. Tell her it was a prank. I got her. If you think that was a good prank, comment and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe, man. And I'm out. I'm not gonna tell her if it was a prank. Yo, she pranked me like last time, so I have to get it back. You feel me? Hey, if you think that was a good prank, say Team Wens in the comment section or say Wens Squad for life. Come on, let's go.